What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. So we're going to talk about Jasmy and the 2024 roadmap, what Jasmy has in store for this up and coming bull run cycle and this up and coming year. So I seen a lot of positive come out of it. So I'll let you guys be the judge on that one. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so that you can stay up to date with Run My Crypto videos, guys. We're going to get into it. We're going to talk about 2024 roadmap for Jasmy coin, guys. This is not financial advice. This is just education for your crypto journey. So let's get into it, guys. Let's try to knock this out in 10 minutes or less. All right, guys, bear with me as I start to load this up. So I pulled this off of Twitter, guys. I mean, this was the only location that I could really see it at. Plus, I pulled an article from BSCN, I think, or BNSC, something like that. This is an article that they put out. Basically, it just mirrors the entire roadmap for Jasmy in 2024. So I did see some bullish stuff on it. We're going to talk through it a little bit. I'll point out some areas that I think that are super bullish for Jasmy going into 2024. But obviously, we're going to need some more context behind some of the stuff that's on this roadmap. But all in all, you know, it's a pretty promising roadmap from Jasmy going into 2024. So let's get into it, guys. Let me pull it up. All right, guys. So what I did is I posted this into my the 10X squad earlier this morning, super early for the 10X squad members to check it out before I put this video out. So let me just scroll down to it and pull that up. All right, so here it is, guys. So basically, they put out 3 slides for this introduction to the roadmap for Jasmy. So what we're going to do is just kind of read through it. This is going to be the first portion of it. Then I'll pull up the article that was put out for the roadmap as well. So it just says data valuation. So special focus on increasing type of volume. So task 1, IoT data device collaboration, or IoT device collaboration. So big partnership, huge partnership with big IoT device company. What is that? Who is that? What does that look like? Development, new function with the company. So basically they're going to build something. I honestly think it's that game. I don't know. A lot of people are saying Sony, but I think it's that game that I stumbled upon. I think everybody's overlooking it. Basically, if they're going to develop stuff, and I don't know, just kind of seems like it to me. But anyways, I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe because they're collecting data or whatever, right? So demonstration of IoT data utilization. So I don't know, maybe gaming, because I mean, if you look at PlayStation, they gather up a lot of data from players and stuff like that. So I don't know, it might be that little gaming pocket games, but it could be Sony. I don't know. We'll see. They're supposed to hop on Telegram, I believe, sometime this coming week and talk about it. So we'll see. So pretty interesting. All right, so AI customize, additional AI specifications for personal data locker. That's good. That's positive. That's strong, because that's basically what they're building, you know, Jasmy around, is the personal data locker. Expanded blockchain PC functionality for AI. So blockchain PC functionality for AI, that's where a lot of projects are moving into. So that's super bullish for Jasmy. Tokenomics. So the Jasmy wallet implementation, the implementation of point system, Q1, exchange collaboration, ecosystem formation, token and value exchange within wallet, and then feature activation with tokens and wallet. So a Jasmy wallet, pretty bullish. That's some good stuff. The lockup, right? The question everybody has had for a long time. So exchange linked lockup feature. I need more information on that. I want to know what the exchange linked lockup feature is. Is it where, you know, exchanges have the ability, or is it staking? I don't know. Is it staking? That may be what it is. It just dawned on me right now. So 100 million Jasmy locked up next month. So there's the answer to that. 100 million Jasmy locked up next month. This is what got me a little excited, guys. This is the portion that got me excited. So not necessarily task number 1, but it says development of Jasmy carbon credit exchange equipped with basic exchange functions, credit offset functionality with token burn. Oof. That's what it is, right? Credit offset functionality with token burn, token burn, token burn, token burn. That is super bullish, extremely bullish, especially if we're sitting at a 50 billion market cap, or not market cap, total supply, and we knock out 100 million of that, but we do have availability to burn Jasmy tokens. That is crazy insane. That could take Jasmy to the whole next level. So regulation. I'm thinking it's regulation. I don't know. Forgive me for that if I yeah. So voluntary market application of the same standards, J credit certification. Yeah, so it's regulation, right, based on Japan. Task 3, the launch of testnet and limited trading. So Still need some more insight on that. What is that? Is Jasmy creating an exchange? What does that layer 2 blockchain look like? I need more questions on that, or answers. So product collaboration, credit linkage through blockchain PC. Yeah. So some of this looks like it's centered around IoT data, the data locker, and then some of the secure PC chain. But the positive, I want to bounce back to this one right here where we talk about expanded blockchain PC functionality for AI. So it's kind of tying together. It looks like basically they're going into talking about Junction, or their layer 2. So it looks like they're preparing to set up pretty much Jasmy acting as a stable coin to back whatever that layer 2 comes out to. That's just my opinion on it. I don't know. So let's take a look at this article from BSC News. So in the 10x squad, guys, I have all this information in here. So this article right here, I have it attached to this. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it up so we can look at the article, and the article kind of goes over some of the information behind this update for Jasmy's roadmap. So Jasmy, the company behind development of Jasmy ecosystem, has shared its wholly anticipated roadmap exclusively with BSCN. Here's what you need to know. So it talks about Jasmy, basically how they came about. Then it goes into the roadmap and basically the slides that I put out. But we'll see if there's any differential with this actually. So data valuation, IoT data device. During Q1, Jasmy will establish strategic alliances with leading IoT device companies. Jasmy will develop new functionalities in collaboration with these companies. Transitioning into Q3, Q4 2024, Jasmy will showcase the tangible benefits of IoT data utilization. So AI customization, new AI features will be incorporated into the personal data locker. Okay, so that's what I wanted to see. So it's incorporated into the new personal data locker, enhancing its ability to user preferences, and then Jasmy will enhance the functionality of its blockchain PC by integrating AI. So basically they're going to run the whole PC blockchain off of AI, which is very, very positive. So then we go in to talk about the Jasmy wallet. So point systems will be used on Jasmy layer 1 in Q1 and will be integrated into the Jasmy ecosystem using QR transfers between KYC users. It will be operated in collaboration with stablecoin. So these points of system will operate first while stablecoin receives its license. So obviously they're building a stable. This is good. This is very, very good. You're going to have Jasmy backed by a value of, I'm pretty sure, Japanese currency, but it's still positive, and that's really strong when it comes to Japan having, or Jasmy having a backed currency, especially from Japan. So progressing into Q2, Jasmy will expand collaboration with its exchange and ecosystem, facilitating seamless tokens exchanges. Jasmy will enable token exchange with wallet throughout Q2, Q3 activation features. So wallet utilizing tokens from Q2, Q4. So the lockup, Jasmy will introduce a linked lockup feature. That's enhancing stability within the ecosystem. So this is what I really would like to get some more information on. And then 100 million Jasmy tokens locked up in April. Here, the protocol will implement a credit offset mechanism through token burns. That's pretty bullish, extremely, for Jasmy. So if you guys want to check this out, I'll go ahead and drop this link to this article in the description of the video, or you can hop into the 10x squad and check it out. There is a $12.99 purchase per month where you can see all the posts, and guys, a lot of value comes out of the post. So I don't know, check it out. So that's it, guys. That's what the Jasmy roadmap looks like. We'll have more news, we'll have more information coming out once we jump on the Telegram, and I'll go ahead and I'll get that information, I'll listen to it. So hopefully I could do another update once we get more information going forward for Jasmy. But all in all, it's a pretty positive roadmap for Jasmy, guys, ahead. This is great news, guys. Just knowing that there's a lot going on. I'm really interested in the burning mechanism, and then the stable backing of Jasmy, what that's going to look like. And then going forward into 2024, this is very positive. I think it's really going to catapult Jasmy into the areas that we really wanted to see Jasmy move into super huge, guys. I'm super excited. But before we go, guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check this little tidbit out that I put together for the 10X squad, guys, where you can actually go in there and see Jasmy updates as soon as they come out. So you don't have to wait around for the videos. The information goes into straight into the 10X squad, guys. So check this one out, guys, and then after that, I'll see you guys. Take care. See you on the next one. What is going on, Rub My Crypto family? To take a minute, guys, to talk about the 10X squad, guys, and that is essentially what I'm trying to extend to you guys as an offer, guys, because I know how hard it is. I've had the 10X squad up there for about $50 a month for quite some time. What I'm going to do is actually extend this off. So if you could give up 2 lunches, right? So that's not going to McDonald's, Carl's Jr., Del Taco, Taco Bell, or that famous sandwich place that you just love, and to maximize your return on investment in this crypto bull run in 2024, guys, I'm offering it to you for $20 a month, guys. So the link is in the description, so definitely check it out. So what we're going to do is testify real quick, because I don't want to keep you guys too much. I want you guys to enjoy this video. So what we're going to do is go through some of the praises and some of the good things that some of the members have seen in the 10X squad. Guys, to touch on one of the biggest highlights for the group that I had posted on February 8th, where Jasmy buy on long, potential move up to 006. So guys, I posted this on February 8th, basically showing Jasmy signals of severe bullishness, guys. And this was one of the moments where there was opportunity for some of the group members to get into Jasmy. And as you continued up, we continued looking up at some of the posts. Obviously, Jasmy did far beyond that, ripping into the 0.009 as I called out the long, and then obviously working its way up into that 1 cent area, guys. So it actually went up to 2 cents. So you know, these are some of the big praises that you know, we got. If you were in the Patreon, guys, that call was made. There's a lot of positive in this group, guys, so I urge you to get in, guys. So we post nothing but cryptocurrency information about portfolios. I actually share my portfolio inside this Patreon group. I put out videos you know, before they come out, so information that you could get to help build your portfolio stronger and stronger as the days go on in this cryptocurrency bull run.